Are you tired of never knowing how many people actually enter these car giveaways? Well, friends, we're excited to announce our exclusive, limited 500 spots only to enter to win this beautiful, restored classic 66 Mustang Cobra Tribute. If you go to our site, on3supply.com, it's first come, first serve to enter to win this car. But once spots fill up, the giveaway is closed and we announce the winner live. This is truly your best odds to win a car. So get entered now at on3supply.com. Good luck. What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well in good spirits. Well. We are going to do something we've never done on the channel before. We are going to be Mopar shopping. I guess you can call me Eminem instead of Stang mode. Maybe I'll be Mopar mode. Stupid, corny joke. But anyways, yes, we have sold the GT500, so we're starting a series of going to test drive, maybe buy the replacement. We're starting with the SRT Hellcat that I found. The prices are crazy, just like the 500s on the Hellcats, 70, 80, 100 grand, but we found one that fits the bill. Let's check it out. And guys, I want to thank you and congratulate you because we are down in the 300 range spots left for the 66 Classic Mustang giveaway at Gateway Classic Mustangs. Guys, remember, once the slots sell out, giveaway's over. We'll call the winner and hopefully you can make it to our May 28th Cars and Coffee Show to pick up your car. We have the 65 that winner's coming, but if we make it in time, the 66 winner can go. So the only way to win is to go enter now on 3supply.com and grab that classic. But for now, let's go Mopar shopping. As we're here, at a dealership, let's check it out. What do we got here coming to the channel? What do you think?
Nice stripes though.
It is. It is nice. So, Brass Monkey wheels, 2016 Hellcat, only 8,000 miles on it, and the black paint is actually in good shape. Like from what I'm looking at. So, I do like the stripes. Maybe if I get it, I'll go red stripes. So, no, that's red stripes. It's too much black. A little contrast. Let me do this thing. I mean, I like it. I mean, what's good about it already is I can tell you right now, this is like not been modified. Take a look inside. Like it's super stock. And what I can tell you why is because most people can't drive stick shift. So before we even take it out for a test drive, let me look under the hood. Okay, super clean. So we have the 707 horsepower Hellcat here, and this is what's cool about this is a stick shift. So the models are crazy right now. One of the things I do love about the Hellcat is it's got these small subtle touches that are just so cool. SRT, we have the orange block. Of course, you have the huge intake there. And this is actually in pretty good shape. I mean, it looks good, but we're still gonna probably do, you can see a couple scratches there. I like to do a full ceramic coat. Again, this is if we do go to the dark side here. But it looks pretty good, pretty clean. So take a look here. All right. Looks good to me. And then underneath, yep, this is a stock exhaust for sure. All right, I think it's time to take it for a test drive. Cool things. What I was looking for was to make sure it was stock. You can see stock airbox. This is a stock pulley, and of course, it's complete stock. So I'm having this and it's black paint. If you come close to the black paint, you'll see it's in pretty good condition. If we do get this vehicle, we would still do a full paint correction and ceramic on it. Maybe change the stripes to red. This does have a nice, almost carbon fiber stripe. It's a nice matte. Car looks great. So one of the things you'll notice is if you come in here, there's no handbrake here. Like, come in closer, you see what I'm talking about. Push to start, you have your pedals, but where's the handbrake? It's actually right here. You see that? And you push it down with your pedal. Old school, like a truck. So, some cool stuff here, but I'm gonna start it up for you guys with the red key. Yeah, that's full power. This does have the black key, but what's cool about some of the things, the creature comforts of the Hellcats, and shout out to Mopar, is they have a lot of cool creature comforts, a lot of cool things. All right, now we're ready to start it. Sorry about that. You ready? Exhaust, which is again very rare to get a Hellcat that is, this is a 2016 Hellcat, but to get it completely bone stock, it has is visual mods. So we're gonna open the hood again and see how the motor sounds. So let's come check the thing a little. I mean, it sounds pretty good. I was actually checking to see if there's any Hemi tick, but I don't hear any of that. The motor looks good. It looks super clean. What do you think?
Comes with the hood struts from the factory.
I know, we got hood struts, factory. We have cup holders here too, apparently.
Cup holders.
But no, it sounds very healthy. It only has 8,000 miles on it, especially for how many Hellcats are out there. What you do realize is there's none of the front bumper guards are gone. So
for the good.
That might lower the value. You know, if we had the yellow bumper guards, you'd probably get more higher value. Yeah. But let's take it for a drive and see how it goes, and we'll see it for Mopar mode. It's coming to the channel. All right, thank you. All right, guys, so we just did a full walk around of this beautiful, menacing, Darth Vader-esque Challenger. It looks really good. I'm actually a fan. It's fully loaded. It's even got something as cool as a sunroof that is fascinating. And what I love about it, it's stock. And it's got low miles, and it seems to be well maintained, and it's stick shift. So I know it hasn't been romped on, because many people don't know how to drive stick shift. So that's a good thing. So there's a driver's car who used to own it. But let's take it for a drive and see if we should pick up our first Mopar ever in my life. Let's go. About this vehicle already is, besides looking sinister and being powerful, it's supremely comfortable. And another positive about this one is that I like the fact that it is stock. It means it hasn't been, oh, look what we got here. We have a Shelby 350, you know, so we'll be
he'll be weirded out of me recording it. I mean, it's black, it's nice. So
yeah, Mustang people don't really like Shelby people, like Mopar people, I guess, but you know, we want to say hi. You know, we'll do the obligatory little rev at them, see if we get a rev back. No, we got no love. Like, no love for the Shelby people, like, you know. But it's like, good.
350 don't mess with a
350 was like, yeah, we're not in the mood today. But what I will say is, I just am pleasantly surprised by how comfortable the seating position is. The car feels great, smooth, and never thought I'd be saying this, but I can definitely see myself in a Hellcat. Woo! So this one I think is listed at the $58,000 mark. Now, considerably higher than what they used to be just a few years ago, but that's a used car market across the board because of the fact that there aren't many new cars available because of chip shortage, thanks to the pandemic and so many social political situations. But that's why I want to check this one out, because largely the Hellcat has not changed besides some wide body options. And I'm not trying to trash Mopar, but they say like, this is good enough with her wide bodies on it. I know there's a red eye, which is obviously bumped up in horsepower, but this can be just as fast with a pulley and a tune and a tire. But this particular car setup with the stick shift version is not made to just go drag racing. It's made to be able to roll the gears and go through driving. So let's get out of the way of this slow version here. It's good. I mean, this dash is a bit dated, but it's still beautiful. I mean, for what they put together, this does have... I actually like it with stick shift better. I've driven a couple friends' automatics, but around town, the stick shift is way more engaging and way more fun.
How's the fork? Long?
Well, you know, obviously this is stock, so I still prefer a Shelby 350 gearbox, but this is... it's nicely set up. Like, it feels like a nice, refined muscle car that has... oh, you can hear the whine a little bit of the supercharger.
Yeah. I mean, it's hard to compare a modified Shelby we have at home.
No, this is... I mean, for bone stock, again, the one thing I try to experience in any vehicle that I purchase, especially for the channel, is the visceral experience. Like, this has a real visceral feel to it, which I do like. So... it has the drama, you know, the black with the stripes and the stick shift, the power. It has a real feeling of you're in something special. And, you know, call me a kid, but that's why I don't like my cars to be boring. Like, I like there to be personality. I like to have some kind of story, some historicity behind it, and look cool, you know, because our cars kind of, they're not just, if you're a car person, they're an extension of who you are. And I think this is what this car can do for anybody. Maybe me, maybe not. We'll see what happens, who purchases it. But so far, I could see myself in something like this.
It's very driver oriented because all the gauges, everything is tilted towards the driver. Seats are very comfy and cozy. And I'm actually not moving around as I would expect in leather seats, not Recaros.
Yeah.
So it's very nice. It sounds great. It looks great. It looks very sinister. It does look very huge. Okay, as long as you don't kill me.
No, it's fine.
I just bought some insurance for when they get in an accident. I don't want to use it.
So,
But you're cool.
no, this is very, very good. Ready?
Yep. Woo!
That's good. That has a real freight train feel, right? It's not like it's the nimble Shelby, but it's got a real freight train, I'm coming to get you kind of experience.
Oh, it squats down and just pulls.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Like that is fun.
It does need a better tire.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna go full throttle because I don't trust the tire setup because it's stock Continentals. But I would say like a good Nitto or even a Mickey would just be night and day for what this can really do. Let's see what this says. Alright, looks like our mechanic is not here, so we can't shock him. But, guys, alright, listen. I'll leave you in suspense, alright? Because if we take delivery, we'll have first drive, dyno, first race, all that kind of stuff. If we don't take delivery, you gotta stay tuned and find out. So please like and subscribe. Enter for the limited classic giveaway. This could be the new M&M Mopar mode in the house. Should we say welcome, Darth Vader?
Ooh!
He is the reason electric cars exist. He once drove around the world twice in the same day. He was the first to break the sound barrier. And 4 out of 5 men leave their wives for him.
I don't always give away a classic Mustang, but when I do, there are only limited spots available.